Hello everyone, and today I'll be sharing 5 Unity tips. Tip number 1. Editing the colors in the inspector is actually good, but did you know that you can add more options? Go to your variable in the editor, add the attribute color usage, fill both parameters with true, and then you will be adding the alpha and the HDR option in colors. As you can see, the HDR has been added to the color in the inspector. Tip number 2. Did you know that the start methods in Unity doesn't necessarily to return void, it can actually return a type. Whether it is any type, an integer, a string, or whatever it is, but it will keep functioning as a normal start method. As you can see, the start method actually worked and it can return a type. Same apply for the awake function and the update function. Tip number 3. If you're having too many game objects that you need to assign them into an array, instead of dragging them one by one, simply log the inspector and select all the game objects and drag them all to the array that you want. They will be added all at the same time instead of dragging them one by one. Tip number 4. If you ever wanted to organize your script, you can simply use the region. Simply add shop, region, and in any place you want, you can actually end the region. And this way, you can name your region whatever you want, and there you go. You have a region that you can close and open anytime you want. Tip number 5. Using shorted if. The shorted if is actually a normal if condition, but it will be used quickly with one line. Allow me to show you. As you can see here, I added a local variable which is test. Now this is our shortened if. We type our condition and the exclamation mark will ask if it is true, assign 1, and this will act as our else condition, which it will assign a 0. Allow me to show you. It has 0 since our boolean is actually false. And as you can see, since the test if boolean is actually true, it do 1. The shorted if can be used in a variety of ways that can be useful instead of using the traditional if condition. I hope you enjoyed this video and would like to see you next time.